What's going on, y'all? It's your guy, Paris. Today I'm here introducing Press Time products, Sublimation products, one-sided. Press Time Products is a company that me and my guy Mike T's is starting up. We're going to have different size blanks, different shapes, everything. We'll have states, we'll have squares, we'll have keychains, we'll have earrings that you can do sublimation straight on. I'm going to give you a demonstration of one of the products, which would just be this square. I'm going to put an image on here. When we get to the heat press, show y'all how that go. Shout out Squad, Mike T's, you dig. She changed her new name. It's now is You Dig Designs is her new channel name. My guy Jay Styles, All Things Styles, man. Y'all come join the Facebook group right here. See Paris 12 on Apparel. I'll meet y'all at the heat press.
Going Apparel, the dream in my eye. I'll be an example to myself in the tears that I cried.
At the heat press, I got my blank here. There's a piece of plastic over the top you'll have to remove from each blank. Protective coating. But even if you were to forget that the coating was on here, it would still press. It wouldn't have the full colors, but Mike T's got a video on his channel where he did one and didn't remove the plastic and it still pressed on. So there you go. So here's the image. We make history every day. And you will have to, you will have to mirror your design as usual with sublimation. So let's get this lined up. All right, so one thing, I got that taped where I want it, but one thing I did forget to do is set my pressure. So I'm gonna grab one of these other ones that I got here just to make sure my pressure is right. Oh yeah, that was actually perfect. So get my butcher paper. One on the bottom, one for the top. Slide that on in. So we'll put just a hair more. There we go. Boom. 45 seconds. Show you how this stuff take that in. Shit. I don't know why that stuck to the top like that. It's hot though, be careful. Took the color nicely. Shine. see, I don't know if you can see it in the light, the shine it leaves. We make history every day. For the sake of this, I got some stuff that I printed in the past. Just print it out and never use. I'm gonna find one, and then we're gonna press another one. Just some other stuff. Alright, so we're gonna get another piece of butcher paper. One more from up top. And again, you gotta remember that plastic, remove that plastic. So this is just one I had printed up from when I used to do all my pot designs. Looks good. Just get my heat tape again. For 45 seconds. I'm really not sure why it's taking my whole blank. But as you see, the blanks take color beautifully. Even a little shadow from the smoke is in there. But yeah,
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
All right, so that's Press Time products. As you see, they take color beautifully. I don't know if you can see the shine it leaves, but this is the next thing in sublimation right here. Press Time products. Like I say, we're still getting all the particulars together. But if you're looking for something right now, we got state shapes. We got the squares. We got keychains, a few little things. So like I say, hit me or Mike T's on IG, DM, and we'll get it together, man. See Paris 12 on Apparel. Appreciate y'all. See y'all next time.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.